name's Ben Kennedy. I have a YouTube channel called K&H Tractors, which I suppose you're watching right now if you're seeing this. I'm a full-time high school welding instructor. I drive a school bus full-time. I also do a small-scale hay operation during the summer months. We plow gardens, do snow removal. I also can do some firewood for ourselves and also sell some, do some small logging operations. I do all my own service work. I have 5 tractors, several hay balers. I've got 4 hay balers, 2 round, 2 square. You know, a couple pickups, 3 pickups, a big truck, International S Series. And all that takes a lot of maintenance, which is a lot of dirt, a lot of grease. At the shop at school, we have a lot of dirt, a lot of grease, a lot of grime and stuff. And we need a good cleaner. Super Clean saw my YouTube videos. They asked if they could send me some products to review. I'm not getting paid to do this. Be nice for us. Or getting some more products. But anyways, I tried out the one of the floor cleaner. Well, it's a cleaner degreaser today, but I used it on my floor at school, shop floor, which was filthy. I mean, filthy. We've cleaned it, swept it, kept it mopped, washed it out with water hoses, but you couldn't get that grime off the floor. So I thought that'd be a perfect place to try some of these products. So that's what we did. This is the products they sent us. This here is a foaming cleaner degreaser. This is floor absorbent, which I've been looking forward to trying. A wheel cleaner. This is a aerosol foaming degreaser. It says it's good for brakes and grills and engines. We'll be trying that later. The product I tried today mostly, tried these 2, but I use this one the most on the floor. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you will, please like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out Super Clean and their products, and I recommend you trying them. We're going to be trying some more of these other items in another video coming out later. But we'll switch on to the cleaning. Got a couple of our different Super Clean products. We're going to use the regular cleaner degreaser and also the foaming one and do a comparison between the 2 on a concrete floor here in my welding shop at school. And it says these products can be used on engines, tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning surfaces. And I looked up on the website and it says to use it in full strength for concrete floors. So I think what we'll do, we'll try this section, this square of the concrete with one of the cleaners, probably use the regular Task cleaner degreaser on it, and then on this section we'll use the foaming and see if we can tell any difference in them and see how that both products do. This is my first time using these products, so not really sure how much it'll take or what the best process is in using them. It's just gonna be some trial and error, and we'll see how it turns out. Now we're going ahead and mopping over this with just a damp mop, and you can already tell the difference in how it's coming clean. And this has been mopped recently with just a regular citrus cleaner, and it wouldn't cut any of this stuff off, and this Super Clean is cutting it loose. Like I said, some of it's burnt on and just damages to the floor that's going to make a dark spot where the paint's wore off. And definitely cleaning it up, and then we'll take a good clean mop with some fresh water and go back over it and rinse it off good and give you a final shot of how it's looking. I just used that on a light mist setting, so we really didn't use much product on the floor, and it is definitely making a difference in it. If you had that to where you could, in an area where you could use a water hose and rinse it off, I believe after you scrubbed it, it'd do really good. But we'll see once we get it rinsed up here. You all aren't gonna believe what this looks like when you see it. It has done an excellent job, a lot better than I expected. I want you to look, see the comparison between the two different. It's this little L and that booth right there, and look over here, how dark and dingy. And that has been mopped with multiple times. Does an excellent job on these concrete floors, and that was just a light misted dose. Took a wet mop, just a damp mop, smeared it all around good to where we covered the whole area, and then rinsed it off with 2 clean mops, or if you could rinse it out with a hose, it would do even better, or even if you could pressure wash it. But it's done an excellent job. No scrubbing with any kind of scrub or anything, just a plain regular household mop's all that was used on it. And that was the regular Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. We're going to try the foaming next section. We'll try the Super Clean Foaming Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. I'm excited to see what it does. I just about bet it does better. We'll just kind of do the same thing. Just mist it on, cover the whole area. Try to do just this 1 square block in the concrete. Take a wet mop, smear it around to where it covers the whole floor good, and then rinse it off. Don't know if that's cutting as good as the other or not.
I believe the foam is not spreading out. That
No.
foam's probably better for smaller
Yeah, for a small area.
Whereas that spray spreads it out better. Well, I'm seeing
Yeah,
here.
that other mist better. Let's try some of that back here on this a little bit and see if it makes a difference. We went ahead and retreated this area right here with the non-foaming and mist sprayed it on, and you can tell a big difference. It's cutting it off a lot better than the foaming did. So on a big area with concrete and stuff, I feel like the non-foaming Super Cleaner Degreaser is the best for concrete. This is the first section we did. You can see it after it's dried, and any of these spots you're seeing like that, that's chunks out of the concrete and the paint, so those aren't gonna, they're not gonna clean up and look like the rest of it. And then here's the other section we just did. Does a very good job. We're gonna continue on with it. But on the concrete, definitely I recommend the non-foaming, and just take a mist, set it on the mist setting and spray it down. If you got a real bad spot, you can set it on the spray and put a little extra soak on it. But doing a real good job. We'll get some more here and let you see what it looks like when we get done. Y'all can see right here how we've got this one section done. It's all been sprayed and setting, which they say you don't want to let it dry on the floor. or on any surfaces. So we're going over with that older mop first, and then I'm going back and rinsing it good. And no scrub pads or anything, it's just the cleaner taking this up. And you can tell how dirty this is compared to that. We're gonna try to get all this section, that way you can see a big area done, but I'm really impressed with it so far. I am extremely pleased with how that cleaner did. I didn't get to clean the whole shop. I didn't have enough. But it's just the Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And you can see this area where we cleaned over to this line here. You can see the difference between the two. Looking back, this is the worst part of the floor right here where we've painted things we've built and it gets banged up, scarred up and stuff. Basically every spot you see is either overspray from paint or dings and chips in the floor. It's not dirt or grease or anything. You can tell the difference over here, how dingy and dark that is over in that section compared to back here where we haven't cleaned it. But looks really good. You can tell better over here where it's mostly a walking path where we don't do much work. And the floor's not as chipped up, how clean it looks. So if you have a concrete floor, be sure to check out the products. This one spray bottle right here did the whole area that I just showed you. This shop's 40 by 40, and I'd say 2 bottles of that would have covered the entire shop. I think you can get it in different size containers, buckets, barrels, whatever you need, but you know, this is a pretty heavily used shop and tracked up and greased dirt and grime and stuff, so it has done an excellent job. I'm extremely pleased with it. So be sure and check out your Super Clean products, and if you will, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. If you have any questions on the products, leave them. I'll try to answer them. If I can't, I'll try to find you an answer. But you all have a good day.